This is a brand new 2014 GMC Sierra 1500. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and four-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, voice recognition, heated seats, a Bose stereo system, XM satellite radio, hill start assist, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: adjustable driver pedals, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, side curtain airbags, child seat safety anchors, full power accessories, a rear window defroster, an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
James Wood Motors is located at 2111 US Highway 287 South in Decatur. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.